Hi, this is day two to recording this video to give you the update what's going on with my current store and my previous store that has already crossed the 1,000 sales, and on my new store I've already crossed 8 sales. And I'm going to tell you today what's going on with my stores and what kind of strategy that I'm going to build, how it can get improved, and overall or the health of my store. So for my new store, as I told you, I already got 8 sales, and I'm planning to launch the new listing that is on the Shopify. Hired the Shopify expert. I know this kind of services is not very famous on on the Etsy, but there are some 1% or 2% of people who search this kind of services on the Shopify. So there are the high chances that I'll get some sort of leads from there. So I'm listing that out on my store, and as you can see here, I have creating the Canva files. I am uploading all the things that needs to be done for this store. I have searches the keywords, right title, right description, everything that is on the place. And let me tell you guys, the services on the Etsy also work sometimes, not for all the listing, but you have to find the right service or any digital products that you can sell on your Etsy store. And it's not like all the digital product, all the services that we are listing on the Etsy will gonna work. Everything's depend on the competitor research, what your skill set look like, and either those kind of things are helpful for to post on the Etsy as well. So the one thing that you have to be take care of, your listing is up to the mark for the Etsy policy, and make sure you are not violating any of the policy of the Etsy, because Etsy is very strict with their quality quality of their store. And hope you will understand after reading the policies that how important is to up to the mark with regards to the policy on Etsy. And Etsy can ban your account as well, so I will recommend you, while posting any listing, make sure that is your skill set, because Etsy is really strict to those kind of listing who is not up to the mark as per their policy. So make sure you have the right listing on the store. And like my journey is just starting with the new store, and previously I have crossed 1,000 sales already on my previous store, and I'm hoping that second store will gonna make a mark as well for my journey. And on Etsy, my target is to build the community as well. So this YouTube video, the short video that I'm recording, may help my skill set, my ability to work on the different platforms. Obviously, that is one of them. And again, if anybody who is watching this video need any kind of consultation, just click the link in the description of this video, and I'm free for you guys whoever needs any kind of consultation from me. And yeah, hope you will like this video. Thank you so much.